Hello, today for my unboxing and simple review is again KNIPEX bolt cutter. All KNIPEX tools made in Germany. This number shows the length of the tool. This is 200 millimeter version, 8 inches, and the part number if you are interested in. I will put link in the description. I have bought it from Amazon Germany for about 35 euros. This is different version. I bought with the spring loaded one. Without spring it will be a little bit cheaper. If you're interested, you can choose other version. This is 2-component handle version. They have similar to this red one component handle version. It is also a little bit cheaper. This is bolt cutter. As it mentioned, we can cut up to 6 millimeters. Let's try and check. This nail is about 3 millimeters. So it should cut it very easily, but let's start from these small ones. I even do not feel how I cut it. And pay attention that I put it on this part of it. It is more harder to cut anything with this this part of the cutter than put it under it. Again, no resistance I cannot build. This is screw. I think its outer diameter is a 4 millimeter. Let's try. Again, no difficulties. Even easier if I put it into this part. And this nail, let's try. Again, easily I can cut. So, believing in German quality, high quality KNIPEX tool, I think that it will stay sharp quite a long time. And this is very necessary tool when you need to cut some screws, nails, and something in your work. It is not a tool to use in everyday base if you are not doing some special work, but having in your toolbox, it's very nice. So if you have a question, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.